XTZ, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay. First of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy because we put this one in relative to this, and based on the indicators, we had the divergence. Okay. And now this is what we get. And even when the price was here, we mentioned about the different possibility. If this one turn to a deeper correction, it can give us better trade setup. But by the way, we have been looking for reversal because we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for trade. By the way, if anyone is in the trade, they could manage to take the trade. Now they should start to they start to manage the trade in case there is a reversal, because as we can see, the price almost near to the stop. May this one turn to any of this move for one more drop. From what we have here, may this one to more complex correction before we get the next move. Okay, now I want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we start with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this correction. As long as the price haven't broke this top, still we can expect this correction to be more complex. All right, because we want the price at least to break this top, then from there we see there is a continuation or reversal for more complex correction. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it if we move to forward chart. If I move to forward chart right now, we're looking at this in relative to this. That's why if this move continue and break this top, then we can consider this move is finished. All right, then we can put, all right. Now the thing is, how about if the price, this one tend to any of this move for one more drop? That means still we can expect this one to turn to more complex correction as a channel. Okay, that's why I mentioned anyone is in the trade from here, within this trade right now, they should start to manage. Okay, because in case there is one more drop. Now we want to see how we can look for next trade. If I move to 1 hour chart, as we can see here right now, we cannot look for buy or sell. The best thing is, as we can see what we have here based on these charts, okay, mostly we can expect the price to drop. That's why if I get any sharp move with a flag, I will look for sell with the breakout of this low. I consider still we are within this correction as a channel. Okay, but the only times I will look for buy if I get the proper correction here, or at least I get the flat, then I will look for continuation. All right, that's why right now we cannot look for buy. Even the price continue from here, we are not going to, I'm not going to buy it unless I get the proper flat or big correction for next move. Because as I mentioned, this one can turn to any of this move for one more drop. That's why if I get any sharp move with the flag, I will be more interested to sell. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup. We wait, we see what we get from here. And anyone is in this trade within this move, they should start to manage right now. Okay, at least move their stop loss to break in, even if they don't want to take out the profit. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.